welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing for a fun and creative DIY project. Our Make a Gift DIY is February 8th, and we're making some stunning mosaic candle holders that are not only beautiful but also easy to make. I didn't get the grout, but it'll still work out. So I did find some masks that I had, some sublimation masks from like years ago. I forgot I had them, so I'm just going to use these for the kids to wear. And I had exactly 12 of them, so that was perfect. So yeah, I'm going to be basically just having the kids wear these when they apply the glue onto their glass, because it says it's non-toxic, but we just gonna be safe. Okay, so for the games, I still haven't made it yet, but I'm just gonna put some hearts on this board, and it's gonna be like hearts with numbers on there, so when they win a game they can just roll the dice and pick a number basically, and then they can win $50 Science Museum tickets, Urban Air tickets, Minnesota Zoo, the Bell Museum, and Como Friend Plus membership, or a button, a shirt, but you know they're trying to get the $50 anyway. So
make you feel better, like a lot better. These mushrooms help you focus while lowering stress.
So I got most of the kids like ready to go. So they got their little sponge brush, their flowers, their candle, the tea candle, an alcohol wipe to wipe down the glass. We're gonna be making mosaic candle holders. So we got, I don't feel like digging back in the thing, but here goes the little square glass that they're gonna be using. And I put the hearts on here already, so they can just decorate like the two sides, because we press for time and we don't have that much time. So those are the kits, and then this is what the basket should look like when they're done. The candle holders in there with the bear. We're gonna put some candy in there, the flower and the candle, and then we got like the bags, and then the bow. I got my pieces cut out, so I just folded them, and then I'm just gonna put the rubber band on there so they can kind of stay. And then I wrote the prizes on a piece of paper, and then I'm just gonna glue them with a hot gun inside and put numbers on them. And then this is the board I'm just gonna hot glue it to.
See each other every day, but at this point in time, while the family is separating, like a knives being thrown separately, we need to like sharpen just one knife. You know what I'm saying? And just cut through one thing at a time. Yeah, so social media not stand that you feel like this man is the father of your children, but no man deserves the title of a father with what he has done to his. So we're going to be playing Valentine's bingo, and the board that I made is for them to win their prizes, so it can be fair. So they will roll the dice, and say it lands on 5, they can either pick either row pink or red 5, and they will see what's underneath. That's what they win.